Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's videos, I'm going to show you a beginner's guide to if formulas in Google Sheets. So, the if functions in Google Sheets is powerful for making conditional decision based on data. It lets you test whether a condition is true or false and perform different actions depending on the result. And through this video, I'm going to show you a beginner's guide to using if formulas effectively in the Google Sheets. So the basic syntax of the if functions is this one: if logical test value if true and value if false. So the logical test itself in here, this is the condition you want to check. For example, a1 is bigger than 10, or in this case, for example, c4 is bigger than 100. And here the value if true is, this is the result if the condition is true, this one. And then value if false is, this is the result if the condition is false. And this is for example, this example simple if formula example. Let's say you want to check if a student has passed an exam based on their score, so you can just write it like this: if a1 is bigger or equal to 50, that means pass or fail. So in here you can see the result by writing the this if conditions. For example, here I'm going to just use this data. Let's say I'm going to just write here equal to if this one is bigger equal to 100. Let's say 100. You can just write true. Let's say just write true and then write false. Hit on enter, and now you can see it is true because it is bigger than 100. So that's all for me. That's a beginner's guide to use if functions in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.